I was amazed because we had that as an intention, that we'd find out more about what is coming through. And boy, it really, for the second half of that last one, it just came through in spades. It was deeply, deeply profound. I was completely bowled away by that. I can't remember an experience of one getting a voice and such a presence and such a help coming down into the room. And because I'm clair sentient, I feel it in my body, it really hurting my body. Oh, okay, I'll just process this, and then why don't you let me have it? Just whoo, whoo, just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. They're probably really stuffed up there now at the minute. They're probably dealing with everybody's stuff. The answer is no. It's like food for them. It's like food for them. Okay, well, we got our question answered. We found out more about the spiritual connection of holographic breathing. And, you know, allow that. When you're teaching people, allow that to help you. You don't have to do the work. You can let them do the work. They want to do the work. Let them do it. Very simple. All right. If you want to share anything more or ask any more questions, just email me. I am blown away by that. I thought that bit was completely over. Just put it in at the beginning and then the beginning of my session. And that's saying, boy, did that energy drive through. Absolutely brilliant. All right, well, you all have a lovely rest of the day or evening, wherever you are, and see you in another webinar soon. All right. Oh, everyone turning your mics on and everyone saying thank you and goodbye to everyone.